Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Kerala style breakfast, and this is called Appam with Veg Stew. And these appams are so soft on the middle and those so crunchy on the sides, and the stew goes perfectly well with it. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी कोडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first soak 1.5 cup of raw rice for 3 to 4 hours. Then transfer it to a blender jar. Also add half coconut. Add 1/4 cup of water and blend till smooth. Transfer this batter to a bowl. Now in a pan heat half cup of water. To that add 3-4 tablespoons of batter. Mix and cook on low flame till it thickens. It should reach paste-like consistency like so. Then allow it to cool down. After it's cooled down, transfer it to a blender jar. To that add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Blend till smooth. Now add this to the rest of the batter. Mix well with hands for 4 to 5 minutes. After that, cover and rest for 6 to 7 hours. Let's prepare the veg stew. For that, heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan. To that add 1 bay leaf, 1 stick of cinnamon, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 1 star anise and 6 to 8 curry leaves. Saute for a minute. Then add 1 sliced onion. Saute till the onions turn golden brown. Then add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and saute for a minute. Add 1 chopped carrot, 4 to 5 chopped beans and 1 chopped potato. Saute the veggies for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add salt as per taste and give it a mix. Add 2 slit green chillies. Also add 1/4 cup of peas. Mix and saute for a minute. Add 100 ml of coconut milk. I have used store-bought coconut milk here, so I am adding half cup of water. Otherwise you can use thin coconut milk at this stage. Cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes and our veggies are perfectly cooked. Finally add 100 ml of thickened coconut milk and mix well. And our Kerala veg stew is ready. Turn off the heat. Our appam batter is also well rested now. Add half teaspoon of salt and give it a mix. Heat a deep kadai like this to make the appams. Pour 2 ladles of batter in the middle and swirl and spread to the sides like so. When holes appear on the top, cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Our appam is well cooked now. Scrape the sides a little. And our delicious appam is ready. This is so perfect. This is crispy from the sides and the soft in the center, and serve it hot with a yummy stew, and this tastes so good. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.